Petrol prices have climbed to a 13-month high, returning close to the levels that prompted the Morrison government to halve the fuel excise last year. Here's a quick look around the capital cities. You can see that right now in most places the average price of unleaded and diesel is above $2 a litre. That's after it was around $1.60, $1.70 for quite some time. It's been trending upwards in most cities since the middle of the year. Let's have a look at Sydney as just one example. I got stung this morning. The average price has bounced around from month to month, but right now it's higher than any point since last July. For more on this, let's bring in Pete Curry from the NRMA. Peter Curry, thanks so much for joining us. Well, $2.22, I got at the Bowser this morning. I immediately thought I had to get you on the program. The last time we saw this, the former Morrison government cut petrol excise. What's going on here? I mean, you know, we had the Ukraine war. We thought the international oil price had settled down. What's causing all this?
Yeah, look, very good question. We still have the Ukraine war, unfortunately. That's definitely a factor. But the biggest factor that we're seeing, well, there's two right now. One is supply continues to be withheld by OPEC and other oil-producing countries. So they are continuing to artificially push up the price of oil based on cutting supply. We've also seen at a local or regional level, a number of the big refineries in Malaysia, Singapore and India have been offline which wasn't planned. So there's been technical issues in some of the refineries, which has also had a short-term effect, and hopefully that issue will be addressed at a regional level soon. But certainly, you know, we're back to where we almost were when we hit those record highs last year. We're certainly not that far off, unfortunately, when you look at some of those average prices. The wholesale price for regular unleaded's gone up about 20 cents a litre in the last month. Diesel's even worse, and this is a double whammy for Australia because our economy runs on diesel. So it's jumped. The wholesale price for diesel has jumped 31 cents a litre. So we're now going to start seeing diesel being more expensive than unleaded again. And you know, in a country like Australia where goods and services are delivered by diesel, not only will we be paying more at the Bowser, but in the supermarket aisles as well, unfortunately.
No